This video will show you how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access attendance and assignment information for students in 10 to 12. Students and families can access information about attendance through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. If your or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool for ongoing communication, information about progress and achievement can also be accessed through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. Students and families are encouraged to use the MyCBE PowerSchool portal rather than the PowerSchool app to access information about attendance and assignments. The app currently does not include some of the information that can be accessed through the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. The following steps will help you to access attendance and assignment information. Step 1. Go to the MyCBE PowerSchool portal sign-in page. You can access this page from the public CBE website or your school's website. Enter your username and password. There are also instructions on this sign-in page for how to create an account for logging in to the MyCBE PowerSchool portal. Step 3. Logging in will bring you to the attendance page, which gives information about the last 2 weeks' attendance and the total number of absences and lates for each course in which you or your child is enrolled. Step 4. Click on the Assignments and Grades tab. Step 5. The Assignments and Grades page will list all of your or your child's courses. There is a column for each reporting term. Note: term labeling will depend on the duration of the course as per the picture on the screen. Step 6. Click on the hyperlinked Grade to Date or lowercase I for the appropriate term of a course to view information about assignments. If new information does not appear on the screen, scroll down. Step 7. You will see a list of assignments the teacher has published. The assignments are listed chronologically. The first 3 columns show the date, category, and title of the assignments. Step 8. There are flags that teachers can use to communicate information about behaviors that impact learning. These flags are described in the legend below the assignments table. Note: if your or your child's school has opted to use PowerSchool as a tool to support outcomes-based assessment, you can click on the blue STEMS or Outcomes icon to see information about which program of study outcomes are associated with the assignments and the grades that describe your or your child's level of understanding of each outcome. Step 9. Click on the hyperlinked View in the far right column to see assignment descriptions and/or specific comments. Note: the circled I icon indicates that the teacher has provided an assignment description that includes general information about the assignment. The dialog box icon indicates that the teacher has written a comment specifically about your or your child's level of understanding. Step 10. The Student Score Detail window will appear. The Score Comment tab will show the comment the teacher has written specifically about your or your child's level of understanding. Step 11. The Assignment Description tab will show the description the teacher has written about the assignment. Note: there may be a third tab called Category Description if the teacher has written a description about the category. To close the Student Score Detail window, click the X in the upper right corner of the window. Step 12. Scroll back up the page to go through these same steps to see information about assignments in another course. This video has shown you how to use MyCBE PowerSchool to access attendance and assignment information for students in 10 to 12.